Welcome back to Dead Man DZ's Kanji Study Sessions. We got 12 new vocabulary words from the JLPT N1 list today. As always, if we see new kanji in these words today, we're going to write down the readings, their meanings, and how to remember them based on the radicals that make up the kanji. Sorry, I'm not going to write that down. We're going to go over it, and then we'll write down the new kanji 10 times. If we see a new word, but it's made a kanji we already know, we're just going to go over the meanings of the two kanji and how they come together to make our new word. This is a writing study practice stream, so if you don't want to listen to me say these out loud a bunch of times while I write them down and go over them, head on over to YouTube and you can skip ahead to the explanations for how the kanji kind of come together. And yeah, you won't have to listen to me jabber on and say stuff a bunch of times. If you just want these word lists, head on over to Google Drive. I've got all the lists up there as well. So, yeah, should be all set if you want to follow along with me. Our first word of the day is zanshin. Zan on the left side for to kill or to murder, and shin on the right side for new. So literally translated, this is a new kill. Zanshin is our noun for novel, a not adjective for novel, original, or newness. Zanshin. A new kill is novel, original, or newness. The new kill, like if you hunted a new monster. I'm watching The Witcher right now, so that makes a lot of sense to me. Zanshin is novel, original, or newness. Zanshin desu. Zanshin is novel, original, or newness. Zanshin. A new kill is novel, original, or newness. Zanshin. Zanshin desu. Zanshin. Number 2 is dai-chi. Dai on the left side for big and chi on the right side for earth or ground. The big earth or big ground is solid earth or ground, meaning ground far away from the ocean, solid earth. Ground or earth is dai-chi, is the solid earth or solid ground. Dai-chi. Dai-chi is solid earth or solid ground, the earth. Daichi desu. Daichi. Daichi desu. Number 3 is hi-riki. Hi on the left side is our new kanji for mistake, negative, injustice, non, un, or wrong. And riki on the right side is for power. So this literally translates to powerless or not powerful. Powerless, helpless, or incompetent. With hi, mistake, negative, or injustice. Arazu, hokani hi. I don't know of a way to remember this kanji. It looks like an opposite gate. It's almost like the gate of the moon. It's almost like the moon, but it's been split in half and reversed. So that's kind of how I'm gonna think of it. It's like if you inversed a gate, it would be this. It's instead of a gate for power, it's a non-gate, the opposite of a gate or no power. Heat is opposite, a mistake, or un. Hiriki is powerless, without power. Hiriki is powerless, without power. Hiriki is without power, or no power. Hiriki desu. Hiriki. Hiriki is powerless or without power. Hiriki desu. Number 4 is kessho. Ketsu on the left side for to decide, and sho on the right side for a victory. The deciding of the victory is a decision of a contest or the finals in sports. A kessho is the deciding contest. The final decision of a contest or the finals in like a sports tournament. Kessho. The final win decision. The win decision is the decision in a contest. A kessho. Kessho is the final winning decision in a contest or the finals in a sports tournament. A kessho. Number 5 is kyoko. Kyo on the left side for strong and ko on the right side for hard or tough. So kyoko is strongly tough or strongly firm. Firm, strong, unbending, unyielding, stubborn, or tough. Kyoko. Strong, unbending, or tough. Kyoko. Kyoko is strong, unbending, or tough. Kyoko is strong, unbending, unyielding, or tough. Kyoko. Kyoko is strong, unbending, or tough. Kyoko. Kyoko desu is strong, unbending, or tough. Number 6 is another new kanji with hitasu. Hitasu is our verb for to soak something, to dip something, to steep something, or to immerse something, or to make it wet or moisten it in water. This is very close to our kanji for okasu, to attack or to assault something or someone. But instead of attacking a person, which would be on the left side for that kanji, this is putting or attacking into water. Immersing in water is attacking into the water or aggressing into the water. Immerse, soak, dip, steep, or dunk. Hitasu, hokani, shin. Shin is our onyomi for this word. Shin is soak, immerse, dip, or dunk. Shin, hokani, hitasu, hitasu, hokani, shin is to soak, dip, or dunk. Hitasu. Kani shin. To attack into the water. Hitasu or shin. Hitasu or shin is to soak, dip, immerse, or dunk. Hitasu. Number 7 is a kyakuhon. Kyakuhon. Kyaku on the left side for an undercarriage of something, and hon on the right side for a book. Now, this description, this definition is a script, screenplay, or scenario, plays in with another word we've learned, which is kyakushoku, which is coloring the undercarriage of something, or its dramatization. You color the undercarriage, meaning the kind of nuts and bolts of a story, with some color, and you make it a dramatization. You color it up. So in the same way, the kyakuhon is the nuts and bolts of the story in book form. A script, screenplay, or a scenario is the undercarriage of a story in book form. Kyakuhon is a script or a screenplay, a kyakuhon. Kyakuhon is a script or a screenplay. Kyakuhon. Kyakuhon desu. Is a script or a screenplay. Kyakuhon is a script or a screenplay. Number 8 is mu dan. Mu on the left side is for not, another word for not or un, and dan on the right side for to cut or sever, but it could also mean a decision. So a mudan is literally without decision or without cutting, without permission or without notice. Kind of without notice, like leaving a job without notice. Mudan is without notice or cutting. Mudan is without notice or without permission. Without a formal decision made, you did it without permission, or you did something without notice, and therefore without officially cutting it. Mudan is without permission or without notice. Mudan is without permission or notice. Number 9 is dai tan. Dai on the left side again for big, and tan on the right side are new kanji for the gallbladder or pluck, like some guts, if you will. Kimo, hokani tan is gallbladder or pluck with a moon on the left side and the sun rising over the land on the right side. So your pluck or your guts is kind of you showing your sun and moon, if you will. It's the sun and the moon are both kind of these big bodies in the sky, pretty boldly, clearly defined in the sky. That's going to be the best way I can think to remember this. This one's probably going to have to be rote memorization. Dai tan is with big guts or bold, daring, and audacious. Dai tan no tan is the gallbladder or pluck. Tan, hokani kimo. Kimo desu. Let me double check. I'm pretty sure chemo is just the word for a gallbladder. Chemo. Could be liver, could be gallbladder. Chemo. Chemo. Let me look up gallbladder. Gallbladder. Tanno. Chemo. Tanno is your gallbladder, so I'm not sure how you use chemo. Be on the lookout for chemo. Chemo is gallbladder or pluck. Chemo, hokani tan. Show some guts and some audacity with the sun and the moon. Chemo, hokani tan is guts or pluck. She's got some pluck. He's got guts. Tan is gallbladder or pluck. Together with dai on the right side, we have dai tan, or a large amount of guts, with bold, daring, and audacious. Dai tan is bold, daring, and audacious. Number 10 is kaku ritsu. Kaku on the left side for to make sure of, to be certain about, to have some belief or some certainty in, and ritsu on the right side is to stand up. So to stand up something with certainty is its establishment or its settlement. Kaku ritsu is to stand something up firmly. Kaku ritsu is establishment or settlement of something. Kakuritsu is to stand something up in its establishment or settlement. Kakuritsu. Kakuritsu. Number 11 is the kimete. Kimeru is to decide, and te on the right side is a hand. So the kimete is the decider, literally the hand of the person who decides. It can also mean the deciding factor, in this case personifying a factor as a hand or as a person. A kimete is a decider or a clincher. A kimete. is the decider or a clincher. Kimete is a decider or a clincher. Kimete desu. Kimete. Kimete is a decider or a clincher. Kimete. Number 12 is kodawaru. Kodawaru is our new verb for fussing over something, being particular about something, or to be fixated on, to obstruct, or to hinder. Kodawaru is our intransitive verb. You don't kodawaru something, so something kodawarus. Kodawaru. To fuss over, be particular about, or to be fixated on. Ka-san ga kodawari no wa, なんか一緒でしょ? Clothes. My mother fusses about clothes. Kodawaru is to fuss over or be particular about. No kanji here to remember, at least for now. Just kodawaru. Remember that. This is one of those where saying it out loud a bunch helps. Kodawaru. Kodawaru is to fuss about or fuss over. Kodawaru. And that's going to be all of our new words today. Let's go back to the top, make sure we've kind of made some nice spaces in our brain where these memorizations are eventually going to go. Make sure you're making your flashcards and you're using them from time to time. And make sure that you immerse yourself in Japanese. Watch some Japanese movies. Put your favorite movies in Japanese. Just do something. That's how you really get good at the language. Isn't doing these fun little activities. It's actually listening to and trying to communicate with the language. Our first word today was zanshin, novel, original, or newness. A new kill. Zan. Zanshin no zan for kill, plus shin on the right side for newness. A new kill or novelty is zanshin. The ground, the earth, or the solid earth is the daichi. Daichi, the large earth, is the solid earth. Powerless, helpless, or incompetent is riki. Hi on the left side for not, and riki on the right side for power. The decision of a contest or the finals in sports is the kessho. Ketsu on the left side for a decision, plus sho on the right side for a victory. The kessho is the decision of the winner or the finals in sports. Firm, strong, unbending, unyielding, or stubborn is kyoko. Kyo on the left side for strong, and ko on the right side for firm or solid or tough or hard. To soak, to dip, to steep, or to immerse is, I think, hitasu. Hitasu. With, instead of attacking a person with okasu, we are dipping something or aggressing it into water with hitasu. Hokani shin. Hitasu desu. Hai. A script, a screenplay, or a scenario is a kyakuhon. Kyaku on the left side for the undercarriage or the nuts and bolts of the play, and hon on the right side for a book. The book of the story is its script. Without permission or without notice is mudan. Mu on the left side for not, and dan on the right side for a decision or a severing. Mudan, without severing or without making an official decision. You do something without permission or without notice. Mudan. Bold, daring, or audacious is dai-tan. Dai on the left side, again for big, and tan on the right side with the sun and the moon, meaning your gallbladder or your pluck, showing some boldness like the sun and the moon. An establishment or a settlement of something is its kakuritsu. Kaku on the left side for certainty or assuredness, and ritsu on the right side for stand. Kakuritsu is to establish firmly in standing it. A decider or a person who decides is a kimete. Kime on the left side from kimeru, to decide, and te on the right side for the hand of the decider, literally translated, or it can also mean the clincher or the deciding factor in deciding. The kimete. And finally, to be particular about, to fuss over something is kodawaru, or to be fussing about something, I should say. This is an intransitive verb for being particular about something. Kodawaru. Kodawaru is to be fixated on, to obstruct, hinder, or be particular about. Kodawaru. Thanks for watching today, everybody. I hope you had a good Monday, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Domo arigatou gozaimashita.